Hey guys, well, I'm using my laptop again for once. It's been a while, but I'm going to show you here. A vacuum I trash picked on my way home tonight. I was out at my sister's and I picked this up on my way home. For the most part, an okay machine. There's a little bit of a rip in the center of the bag. It smells a little bit too. Got a belt, like a brand new one it looks like. Cord. Has one of the brushes. Oh, cool. It's got one of the tubes. I do have another one, actually. That is the same exact style that I've had for a little bit longer of a time. But I just wanted to kind of give you a little view into my most recent machine.